Malikhaing araw po sa ating lahat. My name is Lilibeth A. Yagong, Teacher 2 of San Jose National High School, and I will be discussing with you the music of Mindanao, particularly the Blaan vocal music. And here are our objectives for today's lesson. 1. Analyze the cultural significance of Blaan vocal music and identify the musical elements or dynamics and tempo in the song Kastifu. 2. Demonstrate control over dynamics and tempo in their vocal performance of Kastifu. And the last one, 3. Develop an appreciation for the traditional music of the Blaan tribe and respect for its cultural heritage. Now let us review. Can you define dynamics? Well, in music, dynamics of a piece are the variation in loudness or softness between notes or phrases. Dynamics are indicated with a specific musical notation, often in some detail. Now let's proceed to the second one. Can you enumerate the different dynamics applied in a musical composition? Here are the following dynamics. The fortissimo or the triple F means very loud. Fortissimo, double F, which means very loud. 40 F means loud, mezzo forte. MF, which means moderately loud. Pianissimo, which is triple P, very soft. Pianissimo, double P, very soft. Piano, P, soft. Mezzo piano, MP, moderately soft. Crescendo, gradually getting louder. And decrescendo for gradually decreasing. Next, how about the tempo? Can you define tempo? Tempo is the speed of a given piece in music. It is the most commonly measured number of beats that occur in a minute, known as beats per minute. Now let's proceed to the fourth one. Can you enumerate the different tempo applied in some musical composition? Here are the following classification of tempo: the grave, largo, adagio, andante, moderato, allegretto, allegro, vivace, and presto. Let's check your prior knowledge. What Philippine tribe is known as the Dream Weavers? Correct, the Tiboli tribe and the Blaan tribe. Where can we find the Blaan tribe? Correct, they are found in the area of South Cotabato, Sarangani, and Davao del Sur. Who is the famous Blaan awarded Gawad sa Manlilika ng Bayan with the National Commission of Culture and Arts? Correct, she is Iabing Masalon Dulo. If Kubing instrument belongs to Ijupon, which hornbostel classification does Faglong belongs to? Correct, it is in the Cordopone family. Kastifun means? Correct, it is gatherings or pagtitipon. Can you name this song? What do you think is the message of the song?
Busampo yung gamu, busampo guro. Ento baling suta nawadi banu. Kilan kafnu tarun kastifun kasafiblaan. Kilan kafnu lita ablaan malah di banu. Afnalah labu, afnalah tasa kastulun. Kilan kastifunam ulit tablaan, kamum tibaling sakladalan. Bagatas tabang di kafyuban, neng ataw baling sa halkiyu. Unta baling suta nawadi banu. Kasafiblaan, kilan kafnu lita ablaan malah tibanu. Afnalah labu, afnalah tasa kastulun. Kilan kastifunam ulit tablaan, kamum tibaling saklah dalan. Pagatas tabang di kafyuban mo, neng ataw baling sa halkiyu. Kilan kastifunam ulit tablaan, kamum tibaling sa kladalan. Pagatas tabang di kafyuban mo, neng ataw baling sa halkiyu. Kilan kastifunam ulit tablaan, kamum tibaling sa kladalan. Pagatas tabang di kafyuban mo, neng ataw baling sa halkiyu. Unta baling suta nawadi banu. Unta baling suta nawadi banu.
This is how we pronounce the song Kastifun and Blaan lyrics and their corresponding Filipino translation. Kastifun means pagtitipon. The first stanza, which is Gagasalak tikalbong to Blaan di Banmo, Gitlito gusang foyugam mo gusang fuguro. In Filipino, it means lagi kong tanong gaano karaming lahing blaan sa aming bayan. Anuman ang dugong pinagmulan, ay pinagmulan ko rin. Den tu baleng suta nawa di Banmo, kilan ka mo surun kastifun kasafyu blaan, kilan ka mo lito ablaan malu di Banmo, apnalo labo apnalo sa kastilan. In Filipino, it means bakit tayo nag-aaway sa sariling bayan? Kailangan magkaroon ng pagtitipon para sa pagkakaisa ng mga blaan. Kailan matatapos ang pagdanak ng dugong blaan sa bawat tinutunguhang bayan? Maraming matatapang, maraming masasamang salita. Kilan kastifunam alita blaan, kam tibaling sakladalan. Bagat sabong di kafyuban mo, neng ato baleng sa halkaya. It means, kailan magkakaisa ang dugong blaan? Bakit tila iba-ibang tinatahak nating daan? Magtutulungan tayo sa ikakaunlad ng bayan. Itigil na natin ang pag-aaway. Now let us proceed to analysis. For our first question, how does Blaan vocal music reflect and preserve cultural identity? Blaan vocal music is integral to preserving and reflecting the cultural identity of the Blaan people by encapsulating their traditions, history, and social values. The music, often characterized by distinct vocal styles and traditional melodies, serves as a repository of oral history, passing down stories, rituals, and communal experiences through generations. It is performed during significant cultural events such as rituals, festivals, and rites of passage, reinforcing community bonds and a sense of belonging. The themes of the songs often revolve around nature, spirituality, and everyday life, illustrating the Blaan's deep connection to their environment and ancestral heritage through this musical expression. The Blaan people maintain their unique cultural identity amid external influences and changes. For our second question, in what ways does it serve as a medium for transmitting traditional knowledge and values within the Blaan community? Blaan vocal music serves as a vital medium for transmitting traditional knowledge and values within the Blaan community by embedding teachings, moral lessons, and historical narratives in its lyrics and melodies. This music functions as an oral archive, preserving the community's heritage and collective memories. Through performance and participations, the musical activities, younger generations learn about their ancestors' ways of life, cultural practices, and societal norms. The songs often emphasizes respect for nature, communal cooperation, and spiritual beliefs, reinforcing these core values. And additionally, the act of creating and sharing music fosters intergenerational dialogue, ensuring the community of the cultural wisdom and strengthening community bonds. According to a study of ICAS et al. 2013, the significance of preserving cultural history and identity is examined within the context of a traditional vocal music form. In addition to its role as a vehicle of cultural expression and resistance in modern society. South Cotabato is also called as the land of the Dream Weavers. It is a province in the Philippines located at the Soc-Sargent region in Mindanao. Its capital is Coronadal, and it borders Sultan Kudarat to the north and west, Sarangani to the south and northeast, and Davao del Sur to the far northeast. To the southeast lies Sarangani Bay. South Cotabato is also known for the following: the Seven Poles that is located in Lake Cebu, the Pineapple Farm, the Lake Cebu itself, the tarsier that can be found in the municipality of Tupi and Pulumulok, and the famous Tanyuan Spring of Tupi, South Cotabato. Blaan tribe in South Cotabato are the people which is basically the neighbors of Tiboli. With equally fascinating culture and tradition, their names are actually related. Blaan means counterpart, while the Tiboli means people who live in the other side. They have their own traditional dance and music, colorful tribal wear, and the weaving tradition similar to the Tiboli. The product of their weaving is called as tabe, and Tiboli call it tinala. For Blaan cultural identity, can you enumerate some of their cultural identity? The Blaan people are known for their clothing or textiles, in their dances, in their food, for their vocal music, musical instruments, and on their jewelries or amulets. Can you name some of the famous Tiboli and Blaan artists? Not only the Tiboli tribes have their own dream weavers. In fact, the Blaan master dream weaver named Biabing Masalon Dulo was also recognized as a national living treasure or Mandilika ng Bayan. In Tiboli, we have Lang Dulay. Is a Tiboli princess from Lake Cebu who was the best weaver in her time. She was awarded as Nagawad sa Manlilika ng Bayan or the National Living Treasures Award in the year 1998. For the Blaan Dream Weavers is Yaping Masalon Dulo. She is a Blaan Dream Weaver that is also awarded as the National Living Treasure or Manlilika ng Bayan. South Cotabato is also known for its Tinalak Festival. Tinalak Festival gets its name from the Tinalak, a colorful abaca cloth created and woven by the women of the Tiboli tribe of South Cotabato. The Tinalak Festival also commemorates the works of Lang Dulay, celebrated every 18th day of July. Let us now listen to the song Kastifun. Can you identify the dynamics applied in the songs and what is the tempo of the music?
Kilan Kastifun am oli tablaan, kamunti bali baling suta nawadi bangu tuon to baling suta nawadi bangu
As observed, the dynamics of Castiglione is mezzo forte to forte, and the tempo of the music is in adagio. What role does this vocal music, the Castiglione, have in Blaan culture? Hold a crucial role in Blaan culture as they serve as vital communal events where traditional vocal music is performed. These gatherings are essential for reinforcing community bonds and preserving cultural heritage. Through Castiglione, the Blaan people engage in the collective sharing of stories, myths, and historical narratives, ensuring that the knowledge and traditions passed down from generation to generation. Though Castiglione, the Blaan preserve their linguistic heritage and pass down traditional knowledge, ensuring that their values, beliefs, and practices are maintained across the generations. Let us now have your group singing activity for 30 points. Learner will be singing the song Castiglione and apply dynamics and tempo into it. Here are the criteria that will serve as your guide. For accuracy in dynamics, 15%, accuracy in tempo, 15%, harmony, 20%, pronunciation, 25%, performance is 25% for a total of 100%. Generalization, after the performance, ask the learner the following. Did you enjoy singing Castiglione? Second, how will you show respect to its cultural heritage? Third, does their vocal music have significant role in preserving their culture? And the last one, why do we need to help preserve the Tiboli and Blaan cultural identity? That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.